With a snapshot successfully taken in the prod zone Delphix engine, let's now move on to the replication process, wherein we will replicate this specific data source onto our target engine. So this data source contains the recent snapshot that we have taken. So let's give a profile name for it, and let's give the target engine IP address, the user credentials, and then let's create a profile. So now the replication profile is successfully created. Now let's do the actual replication. As you can see here, the replication is in progress in the prod zones Delphix engine. And if you see here in the dev test areas Delphix engine, it's currently the receiving of the data is in progress. As you can see here, the replication is now successfully completed from the prod Delphix engine onto the test zones Delphix engine. Once this is done, let's do the failover in the dev test areas Delphix engine. So currently the failover is running and it is done. Okay. Now let's move on to the data set. As you can see here, this is the replicated data source which we have got from the prod zones Delphix engine onto this test zones Delphix engine. So here we have the recent snapshot which we had replicated. Now let's enable this source. Currently it is in inactive status. Now it is successfully enabled. So basically with this, we have successfully completed the replication of the data source, the vSAM and the DB2 data source from the prod zones Delphix engine onto the test zones Delphix engine. And now this D source can be provisioned to multiple ZPDT environments for the developers and testers.